别笑。
Okay, guys, we're switching to commentators. It's been a pleasure. We're gonna have simple flips for the end time right now. Stepping in.
Actually, wait, no. You can't say scumminess, can you? Because we're sharing items. Oh, wait. We are...
Every man for himself.
Circle, make a circle.
Get him up, let him get up, let him get up, let him get up.
Stop.
Yeah, the bomb grass and witch cave, favorite grass in any game. Yeah. Nice grass.
I use that to get one mask.
I can get this right here.
Yo,
A little low, but actually. Not really. Okay, it does say scum like key. Okay, that's good.
Stone Tower, small key.
Alright. Yeah, I get my key, I can check a bit. What? You? Really check that on TP Fighter because I only have one. And we have Danky in the next video. So actually, I'm not going to be able to get anything else. At least right now.
So, the index value for Brown Village takes you to the top of Stone Tower, so I don't have to climb Stone Tower.
再见我的爱。
ما حدش واخد من الدنيا حاجة. أنت خدت حاجة من الدنيا حسيب؟ لا. طب خد. قلبك ده.
Everyone knows that, right? Huh. What is going
I know nothing about it.
Wait, the what?
Like when you're like running over the
Don't have one health.
Wait, I didn't ruin that for you, did I?
No, I just have less than 3 minutes. Okay, it's fine, whatever. Just glitch here to clip into music box noise.
Okay, so I know that Spirit Temple is so I can get it right now. I know you can only get into Jabu as adult or as child, but there is a way in as an adult by I have a setup I can sign up with hover boots, and hover boots have very slow settings. so I set up a mega slide hop with hover boots, and so that makes it so that I have very slow acceleration. So he like goes off the front of the ledge, while a lot of speed. Then I and I try to jump flash, like here. So the randomizer. So
Do you need a fire small key by the way?
yes.
Expensive.
Even if it's expensive, I definitely. Yeah, so in both games, we have 12 dungeons. We need to be playing total dungeons in order to win. 8 for level 3 master, and to beat those dungeons, we have to find a lot of random items between these games. So our games are connected. So we're in the same game.
You can trust me. No, it's interesting in MMO.
I owed him up.
And we're items, so anytime I can find
I owed him up.
and then Phil has also given me several items. Like, bomb bag.
Here, I'm gonna go there.
Said it was.
I'm gonna get the So I need to. Don't get me any items now.
Okay.
It's gonna lag like crazy. This place is
Put your minions on the backside by the queen.
There's an interesting
Hopefully
property
they go
swing
into
the
the
sword
tunnel.
where
I can't
there's
get. There's no way. They're not gonna get it.
So
and
what do
so
you try scrapping it?
when you try to shield damage in midair, the game tries to take you like a backward slide off stick and make you fall. And you can't fall without
basically
I owed him up.
source of damage. It sounds like it's like skidding.
Number I need to get. Hey, mama. Hey. Yeah.
Now you can't say nothing.
Alright, what do you need?
You gotta let me touch nothing.
I found this.
Luckily, I don't have to.
is that like three swords? Let's see.
Goron shot 310 rupees for my sword.
Oh no.
Hideout small
I would like that if it's not. Don't bother.
key. It's
Well,
so expensive.
write that down, but don't worry too much about it.
So Goron shot. Hideout small key. OT.
Oh yeah, so I was just gonna say another thing cool with hover boots with something fast like a bomb is you can use like a bomb trick to do a mega slide hop, which gives you a bunch of speed in the air. Hover boots, I can let you cross really big gaps like I did in that previous game.
God.
There's 30. So funny enough, the index value to travel to mechanics